Hi guys, it's Elena and I'm enchanted to have you be here on my channel. Hello and welcome to my whole bunches of videos on various topics because I like a lot of things. So this topic is going to be on plants because plants are one of my favorite things, and I used to be the type of person that would really kill anything they touch until Lunarly. Lunarly is a self-care subscription that sends plants in the mail alongside with some other goodies and things like that, and thanks to them I ended up having plants that stay alive and that are happy and that are good and have awoken my green thumb abilities. And they have sent another thing in one of their packages. It is a booklet. It is called How to Houseplant, and this has prompted me on an adventure. I've mentioned before that my goal in life pretty much is to have my house look like a jungle because I'm loving these plants. They're growing, they're flourishing, I'm having plant babies, I'm repotting plants and they're still alive and just makes my soul happy. So, armed with this book, I am going to make my house a jungle. Here's my plan. Kind of, sort of, and this video is kind of explaining my plan. So this booklet has all sorts of tips and information about plants and how to care for them and things like that, and on the inside of it, it has a whole list of plant profiles and all the information specific to that plant. Now, here's what's interesting. There are 48 plant profiles, which means there's 48 different plants in this booklet that has fairly detailed information on how to care for it, propagate it, diseases it might get, and how to best care for it, what light it needs, all of that. 48 plants. Including this week, there are 48 weeks left of 2020. Now, that prompted an idea and kind of a challenge. So I didn't want to do a New Year's resolution. And I know it's already February, and this isn't really a resolution. This is more of like a solution of plants. My plan for every week is to pick out a plant for my house, pretty much. Now, starting this week, starting today, I have this box, and inside of it are all the names of the plants. Now the only downfall is, out of the 48 plants, I already own 8 of these plants, so I don't want to be repeating the same exact plants. So I need your help to recommend what plants are good for the house as well. If you know the list, if you have gotten these books, then you kind of know the list. If not, I'm gonna post this on my Instagram. I'm not gonna post this. I'll post it down in the description. Yes, I'll also post the whole list of these plants down in the description. And most of these are going to be done on my Instagram because I'm not going to be doing a YouTube video for every plant that I get. I'm going to do little, videos, stories, pictures, and things like that for my Instagram. So definitely follow me on my Instagram if you're curious to see my plant adventures. The other thing I'm going to do for Instagram is, excluding this week, where I'm going to pull out a name of the plant and get it for this week. Next week, I'm going to pull out 2 names and put a poll out on my Facebook stories of which plant I should get. And then I'm going to go on an adventure to acquire that plant. Now, I'm pretty excited. This is going to be a very fun challenge for the year for me, and it's going to help me turn my house into a jungle, make a lot of green, make everything wonderful, and I'm very excited. So I figured I'd share this video with you to take you along my journey. Subscribe to my channel for more. I'll occasionally maybe do like large repotting videos. I won't do every plant individual videos. Maybe if I have a couple plants and I do a repotting, I'll talk about those plants, that sort of thing. I'm not entirely sure. But this was kind of like a sit down and chat and say hello, and to kind of tell you my New Year's solution towards happiness, I guess, if that kind of sort of makes sense. Anyways, so follow me on Instagram if you want to be up to date on all my plant adventures. Now, here is the fun part with all those little tabbies of the plants, of which plant I'm going to get for this week. I'm getting the wax plant. Ooh, those are pretty. All right, so my hunt will begin, probably with Home Depot tomorrow. But wax plant, and next time. So like I said, next week I'm gonna end up pulling out 2 names and put a poll out on my story of which plant to get. Whichever one wins, the other one's gonna go in the box and I'm gonna get that plant. So it's kind of a fun way to interact with all my followers and things like that and talk about all things plants, and that'll be a lot of fun. So, hi! Plants! I like them. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!